I recently fell in love with pop tubes.
And I've been using them a lot in my projects lately. But I discovered that the regular pop tubes don't make much noise outside the car. But the extra large pop tubes work pretty well.
50? 55?
But they didn't work nearly as well as the hose I took from my shop vac.
40? 45? 50? 55? 60?
But that was nothing compared to the 4-inch corrugated drain tube I found.
20? 30? 30? 35? 40? 45? 50? 55? Oh my god.
This works so much better than I imagined. I'm actually going to do a big project using these, so stay tuned. Stay tuned.